So this is a QCY H3 Pro headphone. This headphone is really amazing, especially for the price point to value ratio. A lot of headphones within this space of the market segment. At this budget price point of the market space, this QCY H3 Pro delivers a punch for each value in terms of the sound and especially with all the features that it brings to the market space. My name is ABEiiKU. Subscribe to the channel and let's roll. So this QCY H3 Pro is really spectacular, especially for the price that it delivers and the value that it's able to provide for consumers. This kicked a lot of butt in terms of the price range for headphones that are really within the budget price point. Now for the unboxing experience, you are going to find this QCY H3 Pro headphones within the box. The box is very minimal, straight to the point, and doesn't take a lot to get to know what exactly is within it. You're also going to find user manual, which is going to help you to find exact means to understand how to use this headphone. Equally, you're also going to find 3.5mm auxiliary cable, so you can use this headphone to monitor, especially if you're a videographer, used to monitor your sound and audio and all that. If you're a DJ, you can also use that directly to plug into your connector. And then also you're going to find the USB-C to Type A cable that you can use to charge. First impression, these H3 Pro headphones are really solid, especially for the design, the build quality, and also for the aesthetic design that comes with it. It comes with two variants. So you have the black as well as the purple color variant. For the initial startup, I thought that the black variant was going to look much more clean and nicer than the purple. But after using it for a while and testing it out, I think that the purple holds up pretty much interesting, especially when it fits into really pretty aesthetical design. Overall, what I'm getting out of this is really solid, especially for the price. Now let's look at the design and build quality. It comes with a minimal design, very pleasant to touch and hold. The hair swivels really nicely, and also you can see that even when it swivels, it's not going to break up or anything like that. It has a plasticky feel build. The headphones over here themselves are really great in terms of the build quality. When you expand it this way into the size that fits into your head, it does not have any kind of creak or cheap feeling as well as design that comes with it. On the right side of the headset, you're going to see that you have the USB-C charging port over which you can use to charge this. You also have the on and off button over here. You also have physical button that has to do with the ANC, active noise cancellation, and also you have the volume controls over here. The headphones swivel to about 180 degrees. So when you put this headphone on your head, it fits perfectly into your head. And if you have bigger head size, simply have the headband over here and increase the size that you want to use. I think for the overall design and build quality, this is really solid. The buttons around it are tactile. You have the protein cushion. One of the things I like about the design has to do with the fact that it has really clear indication of the right and left headphones that you find over here. The sound quality, which is one of the interesting things that I found with this QCY H3 Pro headphone. Sound quality here is really amazing. It has 40mm titanium drivers, which enables you to have premium quality sound. Or the testing that I've done so far, I realized that you find that the bass on this is just really great. It has incredible amount of mid-tones, and then also I like the layers that comes with the low end. You see, with most headphones that you find within this price bracket, you realize that sometimes the mid-tones and the low ends tend to be a little muffled, but this has a lot of clarity, and I like the precision that comes with the bass. The bass is just really smooth with this. And listening to music is really a joy to use in respect to this. I really like how it sounds. One of the interesting things that I find with this has to do with the fact that QCY has an amazing app. So far, of every app that I've used with every headphone or earbud that I've used, this has to be one of the most intuitive and significantly the best in terms of feature-rich quality that you are going to find with any kind of earphone app that you find over here. Within the app, you are going to find really amazing kind of pieces that will help you to tweak and tune your headset to get rich quality audio. Now you're going to find active noise cancellation over there. which is defaulted to this. You can also choose to have adaptive noise cancellation. When you find yourself within an ambience or environment, it is going to be able to adapt to the situation or the noise that is happening within there and be able to suppress those noise at the background. You're also going to find the gaming mode within it. When you put on the gaming mode and you wear these headphones, you're going to find when you are playing games, they become really rich, detailed, and precise in how you get the sound quality out of it. Another way of tweaking this, which is the customizable button, which you can tweak the midtones, the low ends, and even the frequency, duration, and moderation that you're going to find with this. That is going to be really impressive for customizing this H3 Pro headphone. Even within the app, you'll be able to determine the battery level that you have with your headset. This is something that I've tested Edifier, I've tested JBL, I've tested Sandpeats, that I've not seen them integrating into their app. So with this, even when you are listening to music or playing game, or even monitoring anything, you still be able to determine the amount of battery life that is left within the headphones. Because the headphones themselves do not have any indicator around it to notice the level of battery life that you have. But within the app, you'll be able to easily see those kind of battery levels, which helps in optimizing and also giving comfort to users. I use it to make calls, and from the other end of the party listening to me, there was no complaints from the other end. Now let's look at the features that comes with it. This headphone is packed with a lot of features. It has active noise cancellation, ANC. Also have multi-point connection. And with a multi-point connection, it means that you can connect this simultaneously to two devices at a go. So switching between two devices when using this is very easy. But the catch that you have over here is that it is not defaulted to that kind of setting. You need to go into the app and change the setting from the default app into the multi-point connection. 6 mic connection, which helps you to make calls and also listen to feedback without having any kind of compromises. Now let's get the battery life on this QCY H3 Pro headphone. It has an impressive amount of battery life, and it is leading to 2-day battery life that you're going to get out of this. With 10 minutes of charging, you're going to get 2 hours of playback. With active noise cancellation off, you are getting 55 hours of battery life. It charges really quickly. So within just 10 minutes, you are getting incredible battery performance. Let's look at the price. This QCY H3 Pro has impressive amount of discount that goes with it. But the original price that you're going to find with this is approximately $65. And this sub $100 price category, you're going to find out that there are a lot of headphones within this segment, from Edifier, from Bose, from JBL, that you're going to find within this. And at this price point, the sound quality, the amazing features that you're getting out of this, the impressive amount of performance in terms of battery life, the quality in terms of design and build, this QCY H3 Pro is highly recommended. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel. My name is ABEiiKU, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Peace out.